So it'll be a quick video on how to add a row with a keyboard shortcut in the Excel. So let's start. So this is my data wherein the first name and the last name is mentioned. Now I need to add a row in between James and Josephine, and we'll do that really quick. What we'll do is, if we want a row above something, so we need to select the row, want the row to be added above. So Josephine, we want a row to be added above Josephine. So I'll select row 3. In my laptop keyboard, I will press Control, Shift and plus. And this is how the row is added quickly. For normal keyboards with desktops and like the ones which are big enough, not attached to the laptop, there will be a different shortcut. So I'll undo my task. I'll again select row 3 and I will do Control plus. And this is how you add a row. Now, again, I'll undo and I'll show you how to do by just a mouse and not the keyboard. So I'll again select row 3. I'll right click and I'll go to insert. And this is how the row is added. Now, instead of selecting the whole row, you can just select these two cells. If right click on it, insert, and you get an option. So either you can shift the cells to right, shift the cells down, or you can do it with the entire row or entire column. So since we have this video based on adding rows, I'll do the entire row. I'll select entire row and I'll click OK. And this is how I have been added a row. So I'll add my data here. And yeah, this is how I've added in between. So I need not select or copy or paste data and then again create a new sheet. I can simply do this. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.